brand new channels. More thrills.
I am your queen! Prepare for battle.
Something big is happening.
Stage 2 is never called off.
Mayday! Mayday! Is everyone okay?
One of us isn't killer. Cool.
Raise the sail!
More action.
Fire!
That's how we do it.
More blockbusters.
That's great!
Back up. That's what I want for Christmas.
More family time for all.
It's all that I could wish for.
4 new channels. 4 times the excitement for all.
This March, TVN Movies Blockbusters.
들어가면 90인이 미래야. 이 자리로 돌려내리려고요.
왜 그러셨어요? 이호준이 고해를 하면서 제 어머니가 실종.
Make it a date every Saturday on TVN Movies.
我係警察卧底，你信唔信啊？
Each betrayal begins with trust.
仲有邊個咁睇美喎？
Without it, the world falls apart.
出賣你哋嗰個唔係我，佢先至係內鬼啊！
我可以用我條命擔保阿漢唔會係內鬼。我講過，如果你係警察嘅話，會親自喐手。
The Exiled. Stream advanced episodes on demand Sunday on Astro AEC and Astro Go.
Hello， 大家好，歡迎大家又嚟到馬來西亞覆蓋更廣、速度更快、更安全嘅網絡 Celcom Digi 為你呈獻嘅原來速遞。嗱，我哋講火運咧，咩都快，好有效率，呢樣嘢係好事嚟嘅。但係咧，日日咁樣趕法咧，其實對於一啲人啊構成好大壓力，精神壓力一件事啦。壓下咧，喂，真係身體出現毛病啊，健康都好重要噶嘛。我俾你揾到錢啊，有晒家庭啦，咁啊大家好融洽相處啦。但係如果冇健康嘅話，就冇咗嗰種優質嘅生活。所以今集咧，我哋咧就係想講講健康嘅。大家知唔知道？原來喺呢個八字係可以睇到你身體某一啲器官係比較弱嘅喎。大家信唔信知咧？想知嘅話咧，你就要